All right, so I bought a wood stove yesterday. They dropped it off today. Bought it off Facebook Marketplace. These things, I looked them up. New at Lowe's, they're like 700 to 1700, but I got this one for 180 bucks, and he delivered it. So I don't know if it's close enough to the wall, or if it's too close. It looks like it's got a little heat shield on it, so I'm gonna put some metal up behind it. But he gave me the pipe because he had it in a window too. So I looked on YouTube to try to get some good installation videos, but couldn't really find any. So I'm gonna try this out myself, and I'll be out here with it while it burns. I'm just using it to heat this little garage, so it should heat the garage. Hopefully not too much smoke gets in here, but it's gonna seal off the window with something, I don't know what, but there was a little gap here. I just taped it up with this HVAC tape. I don't know if that'll work or not. We'll see. Burn down the shed or burn down the shed. But yeah, let's get this thing started. Like I said, it was pretty easy. I just set it here. I don't know how far close I'm supposed to be to the wall, or I'll look all that up, because I can move it on my own. So if I need to bring it back out or take it forward, I can. But I know I'm going to have to take this pipe up higher, because that smoke is going to come back onto the shed and probably turn the outside of the shed black. So I know I'm going to have to do that. I just want to see if, getting it started and see what happens. I don't know. Let's see, what's the inside of this bad boy look like? Oh, hey, it came with some wood. Man, that looked like it to catch on fire. All right, well, let's see if we can burn some wood in this thing. All right, so I haven't figured out the airflow, but smoke is definitely coming out of the pipe. And I had to leave it cracked open a little bit to get some, because when I shut it, it just was smoking and there was no flame. But when I opened it up a little bit, get some oxygen in there for it, let it breathe a little bit, it took back off again. But I think this little lever here, you pull it out, allows air to go up and not smoke to come all in the garage. So I'm not gonna shut it all the way just yet, because I don't want to smother it, but I gotta figure out how the airflow works with it. And I think it's just this. You can push it in, pull it out, and it will allow air to come up through and flow out the vent there. But it hasn't gotten cranking yet. I feel a little bit of heat coming off of it, but not much. So we'll give it a minute. All right, so I think I figured it out. This is my first time operating a stove, so it's been a little bit of trial and error. And I had the door open because my fire kept getting smothered. So I figured out this right here. You push it in, and that closes the air off. Pull it out, and then it opens up, allows air to flow through and out the pipe. So, and the smoke goes out the pipe. So it's wide open right now. So letting the fire take off, but it's starting to heat up. Dang, smoke's coming off of it. It's getting hot. So, but this seems to be working. Ooh, a little hot right there. That seems to be working okay. I don't know. If it starts melting, I'll just chuck it outside. But, all right, hopefully the shed don't burn down. I'll let you guys know. All right, so the wood stove's been burning for like an hour. I just wanted to give you guys an update. So I just put some temporary pieces of wood up and taped up some holes because the smoke was coming back in. It smelled awful, and there was stuff on top of the stove that was burning, and like it just smelled terrible in here. So sweep off, you know, if you get a used stove, just get it. There was like little chips of paint. Just it was they were melting and putting terrible fumes in the air. But I swept it all off and got it temporarily sealed up. Like I said, I got to get a taller stack here, but all the smell's out and it seems to be burning really well. It's heated up this garage. Let's see what the temperature is in here. I got the bay door open, but let's see. So that was over there, and it's looking to be about not really that much warmer than it is outside. I think it's like 25 outside, but I'll put it over here and see if it changes any. But yeah, that's an update, and seems to be burning pretty well. So keeping me warm anyways. But we're out here today building this hallway table. I just put it together. I'm gonna throw them scraps in the stove, but I'm gonna make a video on how to build this. Took me about 2 hours, but that's what it looks like, and it's fairly simple, easy. But I'll make a video about that. Just like and subscribe to the channel, and you'll see it come out probably in 2 weeks. All right, sun's gone down. It's about 20 degrees out. So I just checked the thermostat, and it's showing about 50 in here now. So it's gonna be perfect for when I come out here and need to paint these tables and stuff. Keep me warm. And it's going nice. Putting off some nice heat. Worth every penny. But yeah, it makes it nice when I'm working, just to be able to sit down and be warm. But here's a coffee table I'm working on. I should have that done in like the next 20 minutes, but I'll make a video on, oh, I already have a video. Check out my video on how I make coffee tables. But all right, last time I'm gonna say anything about the wood stove. But it doesn't stink in here, and that's what it was. I had the window had space in it, and it was coming in and choking me out. So I got all that blocked off now, and that HVAC tape is holding up pretty well. So we shall see.